Now, we have shown you the interface, how to start a project, then how to import your clips, place them on the timeline, how to edit, cut using the razor tool and ripple edit tool, how to add transitions, and then how to add text and then animate the text. We are assuming that this is all you need to do, or you want to do, or you want to do on your project. So you select your project and it is finished like this. You are satisfied with what you have done. So now, how do you export this so that it will be playable on people's devices, or you can then upload this to social media? To do that, you go to the top right here, the top left corner, you will see the export option. Currently, we are on the edit option. So when you select the export option, the panels are going to change. You can also get to this point by holding Ctrl key and hitting M. It will bring you here. If you are using the Apple Mac, you can hold down the Command key and then hit M. That is also going to bring you here. So let me show you some quick things you can do here. First of all, the first option you see here is the file name. You can also see it to the far left corner, media file. So you see the file name, which is the sequence name. So when you export this, it is going to carry the sequence name. So that means whatever you name your sequence is what you're going to have. So now the location here, decide or determine where you are exporting to. If you click on it, you can then navigate to where you want to export this clip to. Then you hit save. You can also always change that before you hit export. So these are other settings. We'll leave this for the default, but on advanced tutorial, I am going to show you other things you can do with these options. But for now, we're going to leave that for what it is. Then the next thing you need to touch is the format. The format determines whether it is going to be MP4, AVI, and all of that. So you select this drop down to select your MP4. The standard MP4 file is H.264. H.264 means MP4 file format. So you can also see other file formats right here. AAC, MP3, that is if you want to export only the audio. And we have other GIF and then AVI. So, but we're going to go with the MP4 format. Do not touch any other thing right here. The next thing you're going to do to have your video exported is to come to the bottom right corner and hit export. Once you click, you'll see a window pop up exporting your video. When it is done, you will see the percentage complete 100% and that export dialog box will disappear. You can then navigate to where you export to and play your video or export to your client or send to your client.